Karen and Rocco. He's trying to give you kisses. And he's... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's gonna like knock everything over. Oh my god. Rocco. Rocco. Oh my gosh. Rocco, chill. Goofy, chill out. He's chasing his tail?
Yes. He's never done it before.
Oh my gosh, here he goes again. Yes. He's gonna knock all those boxes down. You little psycho. Oh my god, really? Crazy boy.
There's something over there.
What?
When he passes it right over there.
Really? What is it? What's over there?
Not here as much as I should. And, you know, it was just getting so crazy.
Do you wear yourself out now, Rocco?
The zoo that we have in this house.
Why are you grabbing his tail for? Don't want him to go crazy. There he goes, too late.
He's being worn out already. Your stamina is great. You'd be a great sled dog. 50 feet later, you'd be like laying on the ground.
What was the excuse then?
Goober boy. He's been acting up a lot because of all the boxes and packing. He's confused. So he's been chewing everything up and digging everywhere. Ah, Rocco. Rocco boy.
Rocco. Hi. Hi.
I don't believe that Joanne and Jessie are going to get anything done or work effectively together if they both still feel the resentment that they do towards each other. They need to get on the same page.
Look at that big snout.
Do you trust Jessie?
Rocco. 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 Hi. Now he's boring.